Labup Kids Learning.
Welcome back to Labup Kids Learning. Today we come to the game Guess the Animal Names. Can you guess the animal names through the pictures and hints? Let's play and learn English about animal names. Let's get started. Which animal can swim and has a flat bill? Duck. Which animal is called the king of the jungle? Lion. Which animal has a long tail and loves bananas? Monkey. Which animal is small, colorful, and can fly? Butterfly. Which animal has sharp teeth and lives in the ocean? Shark. Which animal has a big hump? Camel. Which animal can change its color? Chameleon. Which animal has wings and can lay eggs? Bird. Which animal is very slow? Snail. Which animal lives in water and has gills? Fish. Which animal has a big horn? Rhinoceros. Which animal can hop? Kangaroo. Which animal has 8 legs? Spider. Which animal has sharp claws? Tiger. Which animal has a shell? Turtle. Which animal can fly at night? Bat. Which animal has a long trunk? Elephant. Which animal has a big mane? Lion. Which animal has a long neck? Giraffe. Which animal has black and white stripes? Zebra.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.